Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Glaceon from Pokemon. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw Glaceon, we're going to first start by drawing the forehead. So I'm going to come here and basically draw like a diamond shape. So I'm just a curvy diamond shape. So we're going to curve up, come down. So this is a pretty prominent feature on Glaceon, so we're going to make it pretty big. And another curve down towards the center and back up. So we have the diamond shape in there. Now we're going to come from where we ended right here at this point and we're going to go up. So we're just aiming to get a widened out V at the bottom for the forehead. So say about right there, kind of like this angle right here. I'm going to bring this up. Also a slight curve. And slightly below this one, I'm just going to angle it in. So now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So once again, I'm going to curve up. So before I finish, I'm just going to drag this point across and approximately, say about right there, where I should end. And I'm going to come up here. So now that I know this part's right here, it's easier to see. Give myself a point. Go up, just like the other side, and connect. And down. There, so I have the forehead in. So then from there, let's just come in a tiny bit because we still have to put these dangles on the side. So I'm going to come in slightly on both sides, so say about right there. And I'm going to draw a curve out. I'll just leave it at that for now. And then from there, let's draw the eyes. So really close to this curve right here, I'm going to come in here and draw Glaceon's eye. So say we're right here towards the edge. And a slight curve down, about right there. And I'll go ahead and connect it with a deep curve. And back. So the same thing over here. So at this point, I'm going to come say about right here in my center. Come up just like the other side towards the forehead. And once again, right there, connect it with deep curve. So say about right there. And connect. So I'm not going to color it in black because there's these beautiful blue colors in here. So what I'll do is I'm just going to come in right here and add a highlight. So just a curve like that. So when you're coloring it, just add some blues in there. And it looks really weird right now, huh? Once you color it all come together. So right in between the eyes, about right here, I'm going to draw a tiny little nose. So it's just a little triangle. And then let's make him look really cool. So right under this nose, I'm just going to kind of like add a little curve slightly downwards. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. And in between here, I'm going to add a curve to finish off Glaceon's face. So about right here, I'll start. So I just give myself a point on this side so I know where to go. And close to the mouth area, so I'm just going to add a curve. So this will be my center and then start to go up. There. Okay, so then from there, let's work on this dangle right here on the side. So I'm going to come out right here. And let's bring this. You know what? Let me draw the body first so I can figure out how long to make these dangles. But I'll draw this side first too. Okay, I'll just leave it at that for now. And then let's come up here and draw the ears. So in this area right here, I'm just going to add Glaceon's ears about right here. And then point it up. Nice big ears. Soften the point come back down, kind of like an elongated diamond, and bring it in. Then from there, let's draw the inside. So we're just going to follow our outside. And then let's draw this ear. So come about right here, same spot. And I'm going to make this one a little bit floppier, down more. So about that much out. And once again, round off that corner and bring it back in. And draw the inside. Okay, so I have the ears in. Now let's finish the body before we finish the ear dangles right there. So I'm going to come about right here. Give myself 2 points, nice and centered. And I'm going to draw a curve down. So let's bring this down a little bit more. And then about right there, I'll come about right here. And draw the front legs. And on this side, just slowly build it. And bring this in. And about right here, I'm going to aim towards the center, curve it out, and connect. You can add 2 little curves in here if you like. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So towards the center, and connect. There. And then let's come out right here, say about right here. We're going to draw the back legs. We're going to pop out curve, come out, and bring it in. So we're leaving a little bit of space for the feet. Let's come out right here and pop out his feet, curve, and just bring it in. And 2 little curves. So same thing on this side. About right there. And out and bring it in. And once again. There. Okay, so then now the dangles. So we're going to end, say about right here. So I'm going to finish this off. About right there. And connect it. And then let's add, make this kind of like a diamond shape. And so same thing over here. So once again, about right there. And connect it. Oh, and I almost forgot, right here, let's put a little angle right here for some color. And the tail. So right here I'm going to pop out a tail. Curve it up. Bring it to an angle. And connect it back. And then once again, the same thing, just like the dangle. So there, I hope you guys love my Glaceon from Pokemon. And if you guys love Pokemon, please make sure to check out my Pokemon playlist for more of these cute little drawings. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.